Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning viewers. I welcome you all for the daily predictions. We will be listening to the daily predictions for the day to all the zodiac signs, right from Aries to Pisces. I wish you all a good luck for the day. Keep this channel subscribed so that you will get all my updates instantly. Share it with your friends and groups.
26th January 2021 and today's star is Ardra. It is a star of Rahu. So Rahu seems to be powerful at Taurus today. And the planetary positions are Mars at Aries, Rahu at Taurus, Ketu at Scorpio, and you can see Jupiter, Saturn and Sun are at Capricorn, and Mercury moves from Capricorn to Aquarius from today, and Venus is at Sagittarius, and Moon also moves from Taurus to Gemini. So these are all the planetary positions. And for Aries, as today Rahu is very strong and it is at the second house, there is a strong problem in the family and they should not get involved into arguments with the family members, especially today. As Mercury now is coming to the 11th house, some can expect some small profits in the shares as well as mutual funds or investing in gold or silver like that. Good job opportunities for jobless as 10th house is also very strong. So in case of Taurus, as Rahu is strong at the Taurus itself, some may find some serious health problems and due to which they need to spend a lot. Now Mercury is at the 10th house, some can get some good job opportunities. For Taurus, Mercury comes for the second house and as well as for the 5th house, some can find some job opportunities in the communication based industries like telecom and all. So their hard work will definitely yield good results. In case of Gemini, as Rahu is very strong today, the 12th house, there may be some good foreign opportunities. Some can expect positive results from the foreign countries. Those who are waiting for visas very long, they can get the visas cleared. Again, Moon is at the Gemini itself today. Some may find health related issues in case of cold related problems like sinus or strong cold problems. As there is a strong conjunction of planets at 8th house, they should be very much careful as the day will be very much tough also. For Cancer, as Rahu is very strong at the 11th house, it is very much profitable for them. So some can expect some positive results. They can expect some good job opportunities also, out of which they can get some incentives or increment in workplaces also. As Moon is in the 12th house, it will not do so good because they may find some lack of confidence also. So one side there are opportunities, but the other side we can see Moon will not allow you to take the opportunity. So you should know these things and try to put your hard work and win out of the situations. As you can see, there is a strong conjunction of planets at 7th house. Some of them may face challenges in work as well as in the business. For Leo, Rahu is very strong at the 10th house. So it means that a lot of job opportunities available. Some can find good job opportunities also. It's a good time in workplace also. As Moon is strong at the 11th house, some may find some good profits in workplace through incentives or increments. Some can find some good profits in share market also. So again, their hard work will definitely yield them very positive results. For Virgo, Rahu is strong at the 9th house. They may find some issues with their managers, especially in the workplace, and it is not encouraging because it may lead into problems. As Moon is strong in the 10th house, a good day for the job seekers also. So a strong conjunction of planets at 5th house, some may find good time with the children. So these are all the positive things for them. In case of Libra, as Rahu is strong at the 8th house, some may get back their lended money. That's a positive sign for them. Some can win out of their enemies also. So there are chances some can win some prizes, lucky prizes like that. These are some of the positivity for them. In case of Scorpio, as Rahu is strong with 7th house, some may find some troubles with their life partners. Business is also very much challenging, so you should be careful in dealing with the business partners also. As there is a strong conjunction of planets at the 3rd house, they may find their hard work will yield definitely positive results. Some can get some good support from their younger brothers and sisters. As Sagittarius, as Rahu is strong at the 6th house, some can expect some good support from others. It could be from friends or external people. Some can find some foreign opportunities also. so it will be very much strong for them. As moon is strong at the 7th house, some may find business more successful today. Some can find suitable alliances for their marriages. Careful in the communication as there is a strong conjunction of planets at the 2nd house. In case of Capricorn, as Rahu is strong at the 5th house, some may find health issues in the children. As moon is strong at the 6th house, some may find the stressful day also. The day is not so positive for them. One side moon is at the 6th house, another side you can see Rahu is strong at the 5th, and there is a strong conjunction of planets. The Capricorn may lead them into health issues, so they should be very much careful today. In case of Aquarius, as Rahu is strong today at the 4th house, some may find some issues with the mother's health, so they should be careful in doing investments also. Again, as moon is strong in the 5th house, is reasonably good for the children, they can study well. Again, there is a big conjunction of planets at the 12th house, will lead to a lot of expenses also. In case of Pisces, as Rahu is strong in the 3rd house, the good support from their brothers and sisters, and they can find some lucky time also. As moon is strong in the 4th house, some can find small profits by investing in the shares or mutual funds like that. So it's a good time for them. Some may get good support from their brothers or sisters who are close to them, and the children also studies well. So these are all positive things for the day, and that's all for the day, and again I'll meet you tomorrow. Thanks.